The new second-generation LUCCA M58 retains everything the home barista community loved about the original, with some key additions that ensure it'll be a prosumer powerhouse for years to come. I'm Charles with Clive Coffee. Let's dive right into the differences between the original M58 and the new M58 V2. The one update you'll see from the outside is the M58's new stainless steel brew lever. This more premium design matches the sharp lines and materials of our wood portafilters, making it a great aesthetic update. All the exciting changes are on the inside. We've replaced the brass boilers from the original with stainless steel boilers on the M58 V2. Further, you'll find that the heating elements on both boilers have a noticeably higher wattage, with 1400 watt elements on both boilers versus the previous 800 watt brew and 1100 watt steam elements. This, in combination with an improved PID algorithm, makes the second gen M58 considerably more powerful. Watch this side-by-side comparison. We pulled a shot and then steamed 12 ounces of milk with both machines and watched how long it took for each machine to return its boilers to their target temperatures. The original M58 took 1 minute 50 seconds to return to temp, where the V2 took 1 minute 30 seconds. This puts the new M58's power in line with competing machines like the ECM Synchronica and the Profitec Pro 700, and makes it faster than machines like the Rocket R58 and the Quick Mill Vitrano 2B Evo. Have any other questions about the new LUCCA M58 V2? Let me know in the comments below. If this video answered your questions, be sure to hit the like button, and for more coffee knowledge, be sure to hit subscribe.